I'd like to welcome to the stage Melinda Moulton. And the title of her presentation, Poems by Rowan Wilde Riggs, did I say that right? Read by his grandmother.
Hi, everybody. Hi. Thank you for being here. So my grandson, Rowan Wilde Riggs, is a speechless autistic, and he talks with facilitated communication using his iPad. Ro is a poet, and these are his poems. Hit it. Great gobstoppers, a dear and calamitous issuing of chaos, cups and grumps, Cheerios in bed, taste the new and frequent, confused by the universe, growing, the world comes into focus. Do we like what we see? Poem. A sad flower sees you and blooms under a sky that glows dearest to the presence of your smile. Together we ask the tops of mountains to be built for you. Even the cheddar moon is moved by your goodness. We are warmed by the fire of your heart. Poem. Scratch the desperate desires of your soul and tame the itch. Throw yourself into the tantalizing reservoir and swim with your conscience. Catapult the concerns that scream in your heart. Be your own oasis and dive into the bliss you will encounter in the depths. Poem. Entwined in the lyrical downpour, I stand soaking. Dripping off my fingertips fall the dappled, dreary desires of great impassioned obscurity. Droplets dangle from the deranged combed hair, and I open my eyes to the radiance of you. Poem. Dance like a lost lover who slipped on their own vanity. Traverse a part of the reflected harbors of lifeless compassion, awash in mottled fears of solitude. You own this waltz. Be kind to the partner who lives in your soul. Poem. Jingle on the dreams of cherished garlands and tinkle on the tapping of crystal goblets. I drink the effervescent, illuminated spirit of your holly jolly laughter. Bring on the warm wishes as I embrace you all. Poem. I like to linger on rainy days. I love to stand as I salute the coming deluge. I party in the confetti of the airborne washing machine. It helps me clean the dirty laundry of my life. Poem. Peaceful poet preaching as passing deer on snow with sprinkled morning grass breath, hot air mixed with cold rain, roaring heart thumps a hunter's beat, dodging a bullet, I see our eyes ignite. Go in peace, blessed, awesome warrior. We are one, beloved. Poem. You are for me to enjoy. I want you forever. But death, it is a grotesque silence that we are listening to. You can steal summer, but bring her back to me next year. Poem. Earth Day Savior, Earth Day Mother. Losing fascinating pairs of heartfelt family shoes. Fit your feet into my love shoes. You are hoarding all love too close. You're our Cinderella, I am a prince, and you are my good grandmother. Poem. Easy streets are now set on fire. We look into the burning trash cans where the homeless are kept warm. Sing civil war between unhealthy American pride, spitting on your enemy. Heal us, we the people. Poem. Pools of joy fill my river. You with me can boat across. Mastering peace in friendship with love. Set sail, O sailor, directly to the moon of our hearts. O joy. Poem. Tread on me lightly. Don't take the path that is obvious. It will only go in a circle. Do you just want to go back to the beginning? Round and around goes the third rock from the solar system's atomic core. I stand on its surface, and I enjoy the view. Poem. Twirl in tantalizing treble of traveling torrent, skate on the frothy tempest of the north wind, you the vessel of the bellow of his lingering lament, the twisting travel that will cover the carpet of warm wishes. I grab a hot mug and gaze at the ballet of frozen wonder. Poem. I'm too cool for weekday school, said the free-thinking bunny rabbit, so I'll bask in the fun of the Simpsons' good humor. We read good thoughts. Ring a bell, Ro-Ro, pool friend. Laugh till you spill chocolate milk out of your nose. Laugh with your brother, Phoebe, forever. Eating on a shore with cheese falling on the sand. Resting, I look at the water's edge and dine on hope. A crab just cut the cheese. I hope to get a laugh, but no one sees what I see. Hope is the strength you find in falling stolen food. Poem. Love is the answer. Always bright sun and good-hearted smiles. Deep thoughts into your piano. Stretching, we reach together to the bright sun. Your heart beams are radiant. I am happy sunbathing in them. Poem. Give what you can to the winds to scatter like turbulent leaves, twirling and shaking and floating about. They disperse to everyone and give us hope. I want to dance in the leaves, and I want to offer them to you. Poem. Sprinkle brightly and float around, touching down and growing up, bursting open and consuming, crashing tide, washing back a stagnant melancholy. Whistle about our tune, it is elemental. Poem. If we eat a peaceful feast, we fill up our stomach with adoption. Invite the misfit orphan. Those in castles are poor and starving. Let's invite them too. Let us feast on peace until we are all adopted. Serving each other, we are one. Thank you.